Hey guys, we're coming to you from Oceano Dunes SVR, or whatever it is here near Pismo Beach. It's the off-road recreation area, and we're about to start our transcontinental trip with the Rally Fighter. I've brought it out here onto the beach. We're as close to the ocean as we can be. I've drove out into the water just a little bit. So this is our starting point, guys. We're going to drive from here to Chincoteague Island, drive on the beach there. The path we're taking is going to take us up and down throughout the United States, and it's going to be about a 60-hour trip of driving and almost 4,000 miles. It should be a great adventure and a great way to learn a little bit about the Rally Fighter, what it's like to live with it and what it's like to drive it, you know, on a little bit more of a non-stop basis. I hope you guys enjoy this and come along for our ride. Hey guys, so we just got done out at the off-road area by the beach, and you know what you have to do once you get salt water and sand on your car, you gotta come clean it. So we're just getting ready to wash it off. Got plenty of sand and muck and junk and stuff on our car. And then after that, we're heading to Las Vegas. Hey guys, we've been driving through the Mojave and having a good time of it. I think we've been on about a 100-mile stretch or something. We just stopped at a rest stop, but then I noticed something kind of annoying. One of my little hub protector things fell out. So now, and that one back there needs paint. But yeah, so now I'm gonna have to find a new one of those at some point. Also, these front tires have definitely seen better days. This one's not as bad as the other one, but this one over here is starting to get down. I mean, it's basically my thumbnail thickness, the weight part, and we got 4,000 miles to go. So whether or not we'll need tires before we get there, who knows? Okay guys, we just got in here to Vegas. We're at the Excalibur Hotel. We just came into the parking garage to park. The car made it in one piece, minus the hubcap thing down there. But everything has went real well. We've had a smooth journey. And I hope you guys enjoyed the episode today. If you did, hit that like button, subscribe to my channel, and come again. Have a great day.